I remember them coming over with a stretcher, and after that, I don't remember anything. And for probably a couple weeks, I don't remember anything.
Pretty much hibernated, didn't go too many places, but my wife started going down on Tuesdays for dinner with my two sisters. And after 2 weeks of doing that, on a Thursday evening, she started feeling sick, running a fever. And then that afternoon, Friday morning, I started running a fever. And for the first 4 days, I was real sick, and she was just so-so. Then when I started feeling better, she started going downhill fast. And at that time, I told her, I says, we better go get tested for the COVID. When we both tested positive, the lady from urgent care called and talked to us, and she gave us signs to watch for. And thinning, bluish of the lips and face was one of them. And I thought she was kind of getting a blue tint to her face. So I went and got a tester to put on your finger to check blood oxygen. And when I did, hers was only 64, which is extremely low. She went into the hospital on Sunday. Tuesday morning early, the nurse called and told me that her condition was rapidly declining and they had to put her on the vent. And that was very stressful on me. All I could see was the doom and gloom that you see on the news. But like I said, you're sitting there at home, idle mind, you're just constantly thinking. And it's, you just feel helpless. You wish you could be there to be with her, wish you could take her place. The clergy, every day they would make their rounds and they would always stop, check in on Pat, leave notes on the door there for her, letting her know that they were checking with her, praying for her. And that was just kind of a peace of mind knowing that she was getting that extra prayer every day from the staff, the clergy staff there. And that was a real nice added plus that Genesis offers.
I guess it was just waking up and kind of being scared. And but then they would assure me I was okay and I was going to be okay. The staff at Genesis was wonderful, and I couldn't have asked for any better. I couldn't wait to see the grandkids, and when I would sleep, I must have dreamed of them, because when I woke up, I would pat my side thinking the grandchildren were there. I know I'm blessed by God that I made it through this, but on the other hand, I think about all the people who've lost people, and we have friends that lost loved ones. I think that people that it's not affected yet, maybe somebody in their family or themselves, they are the ones who don't believe in it and are so negative. And I'm telling you, talk to somebody who has went through it. I know there's more people that hasn't than has went through it. But I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy. And it's not just what you go through during that time, but there's so many things that happen afterwards that you have after effects. And we don't know how long those will last. And so wear your mask. If you don't want to do it for yourself, do it for other people. Because I don't want to lose any of my loved ones, and I don't want to lose out on being with my loved ones. So just take it serious, and let's just hope it doesn't happen in your family.